Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore one of the Figma's most powerful design features, masking. Masking allows you to place images inside shapes, creating clean, professional visual for things like profile pictures, product markup, and creative layouts. Let's learn how you can do this. So first you have to open the Figma app, then you have to place any one of the images. So first we have to place images. So I would like to image the profile picture. So I would like to create a profile pictures for this image. So I have to create a ellipse. That's it. Then you have to select this image and send to back. The layer panel you can see here for the profile picture and ellipse. So you have to select the both and make it group selection. That's it. So now we have to select this group. So now we have to select the ellipse and profile picture. Then right click and click on the use as a mask. That's it. Now you can also adjust the profile picture by click on here and resize the image. I would like to show only for the face. That's it. So the next example, I would like to create the text. So I have to create the text for text vista. So I'd like to change the font size, font family. So the size should be increase as 64. 96. Yes, that's it. So I have to move this image here. That's it. Now I would like to mask the image background of this text. So first I have to insert the image, the texture, have to place the image. Then I have to select the text and texture image, then right click and click on use mask. That's it. Now you can check it out. The text background has been changed as a texture image. So third design, if you would like to make any one of the custom design, you have to insert the custom design. I have created the custom shape of star. So I would like to insert the background image. So I have to insert the image. So the nature image I would like to insert here. You can also adjust the layer. That's it. So we have to move the image as top of the image. So we have to select the star and image and right click on the use as mask. That's it. So if you would like to adjust the image, you have to select the image and move the images. So we have to move here. So in this way, you can mask the images as any text or shapes.